Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today I will show the easy and safe way to flash any Xiaomi phones. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First, and what you need to do is, first you need to enable the developer option if you have not enabled it in your Xiaomi phones. So first let me show you how to enable it. First go to settings, go to about phone, and you can see here the MIUI version. Just tap on it until you get a pop-up notification. You are now developer. You can see in the below. Once that message appears, go back. Now go to the additional settings. Now you can see here the developer option. Under the developer options, you can see the USB debugging. Just enable it. Press OK. Done. Now the USB debugging has been enabled on your phone before flashing. Now let's move to the flashing guide, how we can do it and is it really safe or risky to do it. For flashing any ROMs in your Xiaomi phones, you need two things mostly: a Xiaomi smartphone devices and the original Xiaomi USB or micro USB or USB Type-C cable. And one more thing is very important: you need a PC too and a good internet connections. So let's begin. Now before proceeding, firstly connect your PC with a good internet connection. Once your PC got connected, that is, your PC must be connected with internet connections. Once done, open any web browser and go to this website xiaomitool.com. I have provided the download link in the video description. You can click there also. Once you log into this web page, just click this, go to the newest Xiaomi Tool version 2 page, just click on it. Now you can see its web page. Just click on the download Xiaomi Tool version 2. As I have already downloaded and installed it on my PC, so I'm not going to do it again. So you can download it and install it. Once the installation is done, we'll run the Xiaomi tool. On running the Xiaomi tool for the first time, you will see this message. So before proceeding, please connect your Xiaomi device using your data cable, which is provided by the Xiaomi itself. Now after connecting your Xiaomi phones using the data cable with your PC, now what you need to do is you will get a message here, USB connected. So you can proceed further by clicking on your PC, click agree, Wait for some time. Now here you can see is the two option. My device works normally. I want to mod it. Just click on this option. You can see here a pop-up message. Click OK on your mobile. Click select. Now your mobile will start rebooting on the first boot. Don't get scared. Just wait for a few minutes. Your phone started rebooting. In the PC, you can see here the bootloader status is locked. Just click on OK, finish all. Now on your PC, you can see the official Xiaomi ROMs, custom ROMs, modded root, our TFE, unlock and lock bootloader and other. Just we will click on the top above. We'll see what are the official Xiaomi ROMs available for our Redmi Note 8 Pro devices. Now here we can see the Indian stable version, the MIUI version. This is available from the official MIUI ROM websites. So when we click it, so here you can see the notification message. This installation requires some additional steps before the actual procedure can start. This tool will take care of these steps. If you confirm the procedure, press continue. If you want to continue, cancel, go back to ROM section. Here is what is necessary to do. Unlock the bootloader might require dash for waiting time. So you need to unlock your bootloader before proceeding here. So if your phone is locked, I would suggest not to proceed or continue. And if you're having an unlocked bootloader, then you can proceed it with no risk. So I'm moving back as my phone is already locked. As you have seen earlier, my bootloader is locked. So here you can get the custom ROMs, not official, modded roots or tier 3 you can install using this software on your mobile devices. So using this software, the flashing for the MIUI devices, that is the Xiaomi phones, is very easy and it's almost 95 to 97% risk-free and compared to other Xiaomi flashing tools. So I would suggest to use this Xiaomi tool version 2 by Francisco Tescari to flash any custom ROMs or the official Xiaomi ROMs that you want to flash in your Xiaomi phones if you're a first time flashing your any Xiaomi devices. If you're an expert, still you can try this Mi flashing tools, and I highly recommend it to every users out there who are using the Xiaomi phones. I hope you find it useful and please do subscribe our channel to support our channel, and lastly, thanks for watching.